Mrs. Metalman for a walk around Elterwater today. A few photographs with my new Wowie P20 Pro I've been dying to use. Really nice day, sun's just coming out, nip in the air. I think we're in for a really good day. So I had a very pleasant overnight stay at the Premier Inn at Cockermouth, and after yesterday out at Helm Crag, I promised Mrs. Metalman a nice low level walk today. Very scenic one, so we'll be doing round Elterwater, a couple of waterfalls, find the Cathedral Caves again, we'll have a look in there. Whatever you do, don't mention steak and chips. Them cows are a little bit too close for comfort for me. So that's where we came from. And the views are absolutely lovely. Hardly a breath of wind. Well, she's done it again. I don't know if she does it. Everywhere we go in the middle of nowhere, all of a sudden she points out a seat that nobody else has seen. So, so I'm having a quick 5 minutes here. Right next to the river. Nice and peaceful, and just chill out. That was going to be our first stop of the day. Fortunately, the DV have beat us to it, but no problem with that. It's good to see some young'uns out hiking, camping, and just enjoying the great outdoors. So, really happy with that. Mrs. Metalman is very happy, so happy. She zoomed off without us. But it's lovely this morning. The colours and the trees are absolutely fantastic. That kissing gate. Let's see if Mrs. Metalman zooms away. So very clear, defined paths all the way around, dead easy to follow. And you can see in the distance over there the path we actually came down from Elterwater village itself. And we walked all the way around. What a lovely place that is there. Every time I go past I always think, what if? And funny enough, it's under offer. Unfortunately it's not my offer, which is a shame. But the scenery around here is absolutely spectacular. And apart from the DV, and I can't see anybody. So quiet, so peaceful. Well, the sky is looking a bit ominous and dark over there. We've lost the light and the sun in the sky, which is a shame. Don't milk it. Colwith Force are that way, where Mrs. Metalman is. A little bit of a scrambly bit here, which Mrs. Metalman's raring to get at. And lovely autumn colours. How nice is that? And what an absolutely fantastic place to sit down and have a spot of lunch. Not a soul about. Only thing we're going to use the waterfall in the background. And like magic, Mrs. Metalman is going to produce a 3-course meal out of her bag any second there now.
Or a Mars bar.
Oh, a Mars bar. Very tempting to follow the path Mrs. Metalman's going up there. But if you listen, you can hear the waterfall, which is literally just round that corner there. So if you don't walk around there, basically you won't see it. I think when you get to the top, I think you do actually go past it, but that's the best view down there. Oh, what a perfect view from the top. I'm hoping as we walk around we might see the Cathedral Caves, and there's also one lady that's in her back garden. I think she does teas, cakes, so hopefully we haven't missed that. And that there is little tea rooms. Well, basically I think it's just a lady's house, a very enterprising lady who has decided to turn her back garden into a little tea room, which I have a feeling we may well be sampling. Yes, that sounds pretty reasonable to me. That looks almost identical to my son's cat. Oh, hello. Sabbath. Oh. Sabbath, is that you? Hello. Have you been following us? Oh, hello. Yes, I think he recognises us. It had to be done. It had to be done. And what a view there. They sit and have tea, coffee, cake. Really nice stop there. And a lovely lady to chat to as well. So a very pleasant stop there. What a place to live. And just walk out there and look at the views you've got all the way around there. Langdale quarries. So this is the Cathedral Caves. Very easy to walk past. So we're going to follow Mrs. Metalman in. Hey? The acoustics are great. Get down! Get down! Stop it! It's pitch black. I won't look it on the camera, but I bet it's almost pitch black in here. Having said that, I've still got my sunglasses on. Oh, that's better. And when you come out of the tunnel, you get the Cathedral Caves, which are absolutely superb, to be quite honest. And the acoustics in here are unbelievable. I'm just a poor wayfaring man. I know Nick the Northern Wayfarer will appreciate that. I've been told by a few people there's supposed to be goldfish in here. They were released years ago. That's that moment when all of a sudden somebody jumps up out of the lake, grabs hold of you, and you're never to be seen again. So you can walk around, because it does open up through there. So I think that's the next destination, Slater Bridge. Mrs. Metalman's starting to feel cold a bit, so it'll just be a quick walk over there, and then we head on the road back to Elterwater. It's a nice little pub on the way back, so we may or may not stop there. Depends what Mrs. Metalman's feeling like. Such a peaceful day. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it. It's definitely starting to get chilly there now. Clouds are coming in, wind's getting up. Nice little pub here. Stopped here before for a drink in the summer, which was very pleasant. I can't tempt Mrs. Metalman, unfortunately, even with a hot cup of coffee. She hasn't yet mastered the art of opening a gate yet, but do you want me to do it? She's done it! Hooray! Again, very clear, defined path to follow, but very rugged and obviously very scenic like as well. So really enjoying this walk back. I think we're about a mile away there now. So it's been an absolutely fantastic walk. Really enjoyed it today because we took our time, had lots of photographs. Oh, back in the car there now. Really nice 5 mile walk. Yeah, a mile an hour. That's all we've done. We've took our time and really enjoyed the day. So I'll be parking here again next week. I'm meeting with a few people and we've got a few friends there. Come to wave us goodbye. So hopefully you'll hang around and we'll see you on the next one.